sun's finally coming out. Hey guys, it's me, Alicia, aka Voted Best Hair. Thank you so much for joining me back on my channel if you're a returning subscriber. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Hopefully by the end of the video, you'll want to subscribe. So as you can see, we're in a different room in the house. We're actually in the kitchen because today we're going to be talking about the 6 foods that can help with your hair growth. Typically, our hair grows about 6 inches per year. Now that can vary depending on your health, your age, genetics, and your diet. A lot of those things we can't really determine, but we can determine our diet. So that's why I'm gonna be talking about foods that actually can promote hair growth. Now, I personally have been eating a lot of these foods lately because I've been eating a more ketogenic diet. It's just about your overall health, right? If you're drinking water, if you're eating the right foods, your hair's gonna grow, your skin's gonna look better, your body is gonna look better. So it all works together. All right, so you guys have been saying I've been talking too much. Let's just get right into the video. All right, so one of the first foods that I want to talk about are berries. All right, guys, so I have strawberries, blueberries, and blackberries in here. This has been one of my go-to desserts at night. I add a little whipped cream topping, and it's a yummy, yummy snack. The great thing about berries are they're full of vitamins, including vitamin C, which is a great antioxidant. And antioxidants can actually help protect your hair follicles from damaging molecules in the environment. So berries are number 1. All right, so the next food is spinach. And I've been using spinach a lot in my salads. I like to do kind of like a mix of spinach and some other like mixed greens. And spinach is great because there's iron, folates, vitamin A, vitamin C, and all of these are going to promote hair growth. So number 2 is spinach. Number 3 is probably one of my favorites, and that is salmon. So salmon is a great fatty fish. It has really great omega-3 fatty acids, which are great for promoting hair growth. I love me some salmon, you guys. I'll probably eat this at least twice in the week. It can be kind of expensive, but I love it, I love it, I love it. It's probably better to do the wild-caught salmon. I have to be honest, I cheat a little bit and I do the farm-raised. But salmon is a great option when you're looking to grow out your hair. So number 4 is avocado. Oh my gosh, I've become an avocado junkie. I have avocado just with about everything. It's a great source of fat, so great for the ketogenic diet. And it's also a great source of vitamin E, which can promote hair growth. Avocado, bomb. So number 5 are nuts, and these are like my favorite. This is just a lightly salted mixed nut from Planters. There's peanuts, almonds, cashews, hazelnuts, and pecans in this mix, and I absolutely love this. These are great snack ideas. Nuts have a lot of great nutrients that will help promote hair growth. They also provide a variety of vitamin B, zinc, and fatty acids. All of these things are important because if you have a deficiency in any of those, you could experience hair loss. So nuts are a really great snack and a really great food to promote hair growth. Last but not least are eggs. Yeah. So I've been buying the organic brown eggs lately, and I would typically eat these in the morning for breakfast, or I'll put them in my salads, or even have like a hard-boiled egg just as a snack. And eggs are a great source of protein and biotin. Both are great for promoting hair growth. Eggs are also a great source of zinc. This makes them a great food to consume for optimal hair health. All right, guys, so that wraps up my 6 foods that can help promote hair growth. Now, these are just tips and things that I have used, so you are more than welcome to try them in your hair journey. I'm not saying that if you eat these things, your hair is going to grow down your back, but if you have a well-balanced diet, you're drinking water, you're doing all the things that you can do to stay healthy, your hair will eventually grow, getting trims, all those things. All those things are important for hair health. I have to put that disclaimer out there for you guys these days. So that wraps up my video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, let me know by giving me the thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, you can leave them in the comment section below or send me an email. And if you have not already hit that subscribe button, go ahead and hit it. Until next time, guys, teach your destiny and have fun.